ticker placement, navigation, suite kit, door interior, center console, gear panel, control panel, product description. It is only applicable to left-hand drive. If your vehicle is right-hand drive, you can communicate with us. Sticker position, car position of car central control panel, gear position panel, air conditioning panel, etc. 1. Front air conditioner air outlet of center console and rear air conditioner air outlet. 2. Central control gear out panel, water cup area, central control navigation panel, speed instrument panel. 3. Steering wheel panel, steering wheel key panel, instrument panel area, door kick plate area. 4. Front and rear door area, window lifting plate, interior door armrest panel. 5. Exterior center pillar area, front passenger storage box, etc. Please check where the picture products are before purchasing and find your own stickers. Function, fine workmanship, fine surface, and special novel and beautiful decoration make this interior enhance the texture of the car. The installation is simple and fast. Clean the interior of the vehicle before installation. First, if it is made of TPU material, you can apply the film with water spray and then paste it. If it is made of carbon fiber, it can be installed in alignment. The original spare parts will not be damaged. Simple and fashionable, no residue specifications. 100% brand. New product material, TPU. 1. Due to many factors such as brightness and light intensity, the actual color of the product may be slightly different from the pictures displayed on the website. 2. Before ordering, please confirm whether the components are correct and ensure that the shapes are the same, and different shapes cannot be installed.